Hi guys, today I will show this invention that I created just for simplicity to measure host devices, electrical appliances that I need to measure the current, but I can't measure without opening the device. This in fact is a high power electric heater with 3 power resistors. So I need to measure from here, including the cable, because if I want to measure, I need to open from inside. So I designed this here and this here with a simple buying in a dollar store shop with some wires to measure the current. The device worked like this. This is the power plug, main power plug, that is directly connected with the heater. As you can see, turn it on. Is heated up. Let me turn off the light. As you can see, I turn it off now because it's hot. I can't measure this here without opening, and it is dangerous to measure like in this way. So let me put this device here to see the current. Just a second. As you can see guys, this device works like this. It gets the power supply, it split it up in 3 wires. Ground is green and yellow, blue is neutral, and phase is brown. So it's connected with this current transformer of this current meter, that is also called a multimeter or clamp meter, because it's clamp, or parrot meter that look like a parrot. Well guys, let's measure the current. Let's turn on in first switch. As you can see, in the first is here. As you can see, is this here. Don't touch it like I did, because you can get burned off. If it's broken, you can get shocked. So is 1.8 amps this resistor drawing, and this is the best way how you can measure the current. Well, let's turn on with both 3, and now is 5.2 amps. Let's turn on the other switch, that is the water resistance that is here inside, and get out the moisture here. As you can see, is 5.3. You can see how fast it drops. This is the 3 option. As you can see, it's boiling. You can hear it. Let's turn off now, because who put a heater in the summer? As you can see, it drops, and 1.773. So 1.8 amps. Well, this device works great. As you can see, you can measure in phase, but also can measure in the neutral. And the current is the same. as in the brown, even in the blue wire, because current pass through those wires. If the current pass through here, you may have a leak on ground, or your device is shorted into ground, or something free energy shit happen. So mostly is a short between phase and ground, because free energy is free when government gives you free, even while you have paid. As you can see, 0.30 amps. This could have been shorted. 0.025. So, well guys, that was the video for today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Invite a friend to watch my video. Invite your kid to learn electronics and electrical engineering stuff, to save his life, to see the devices without opening them, without taking risks. So guys, have a nice day. Be safe there.